So these are the indexing. These are positive indexing and these are negative indexing. You can use either of these and through which you can call any item in the list. Now let's see how do we call these items with these indexing. Uh, if I say fruit list, the name of the list, and under the bracket I say 3, it will be showing me, I guess, just a minute. If you get such a kind of error, because if we are getting this kinds of error, no, like fruit list, it's saying that it is not defined and it is the same spelling, there's no error. It is because it might have been logged out, so it forgot the connection. So I'll just this is kernel b means these lines, these things are these space bars, basically these region is called kernel. I will restart and there are interrupt. Whenever you are stuck somewhere, there's a big loading going on and it's not proceeding. You can use interrupt there. Restart when you have to restart everything. Restart and clear output. You just want to restart the commands and you don't want the output. Restart and run all if you want to have all the if you're working on some project and you can just clear everything out once again you can run some just run restart and running all. Yeah, so it has been updated. Fruit list, it is showing me 3. So what was in the number of 3? Grapes. It is showing me grapes. And if I say fruit list and I ask for the negative indexing, what is minus 3? Apple. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 3 is apple. Okay. So what is the use of these indexing, positive and negative? Basically, this is used for the function of slicing. We can cut a list by these by the help of these indexing. So we are going to look at the function slicing. What is slicing? Fruit list 1 is to 4. It will do 1, 2, 3, 4. But 4 is not included. 1, 2, 3. The last is exclusive. Calling the list with a positive indexing, negative indexing, fruit list equals minus 5 to minus 2. So minus 5 is banana, minus 4 kiwi, minus 3 apple, but minus 2, this is exclusive valid, it is not included, so it did not take the grapes. If I say fruit list, if I say 1 and I don't explain further, it will show me the entire list. But it did not include the first banana. If I say update fruit list And if I explain the, define the last, and I leave this empty, it will assume itself from initial. It is starting from 0. In this I said start from 1. And they were fruit list from 1, and I started 0, 1. So it started from kiwi. It left banana. Banana is having indexing as 0. Now fruit list empty hash empty to 5, up to 5. Banana, kiwi, apple, grapes, mango. Because it has taken the entire list 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because there are total 4 elements, so I have written 5. It's all entire list is here. Root list, if I write 3, it is showing me 0, 1, 2, 3 is excluded. I can check the length with the inbuilt function of Python. Length of fruit list 5, the original length. The same indexing pattern is followed for the integer or float type of list as well. I'm saying L1 is list 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I call the, which is the list 1, which is the fourth give me the element which is having indexing as 4, 5, z. It is having, 1 is having 0, like this right here. 1 is having indexing as 0, 2 is having as 1, 3 is having 2. Similarly, so on. So up to fourth, 3, 4, 4 is having 3. And 5 here, it is having 4. So it has given me the value of the fourth, the element with fourth indexing 5. So this method of slicing, in this we can separate and split out elements from list. In this we call this as a range 1 to 4. 1 is to 4.